Welcome back to this channel where every day there is a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. My name is KAREN ROACH. For more information about me, please check the description box below. We are currently doing a series on the teachings of Jesus, and today I'm going to be reading from Mark chapter 1 verses 14 and 15. I mean, I say, well, I love hear good news, so good news me I go bring uno today. So stay tuned and listen. I'm going to ask you one more favor. Click the like button, share it with your friends and your family. Click the subscribe button. So you see, every day when we put up a new video at 5 a.m. Jamaican time, you can get a notification. Thank you.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
So now, listen out for some good news. Today, may I go read from Mark 1, verses 14 and 15. Now, after they lock up John in a prison, Jesus go to Galilee, go preach God good news. Him say, a time now, God soon rule in a every way. Turn away from your sin and turn to God and believe the good news. Him say, a time now, God soon rule in a every way. Turn away from your sin and turn to God and believe the good news. This a God word in the Jamaican language. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.